This is what gets displayed on the status bar when you have Choose SIM card activated on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Now you can see here on my status bar on the left hand side, I've got Wi-Fi icon, and next to it I've got one mobile data icon, and then I got voice LTE2, and then another signal bar for my SIM card. So I have one SIM card, two SIM cards, so I have two icon right there. So let me just close that. Now if I zoom out a little bit and I swipe down my quick settings, I swipe down again, and in here you'll be able to see it's got calls, eSIM1, text messages, eSIM1, and mobile data, eSIM1. Now if I tap on that, I'll be able to switch between always ask, SIM1 for calls. I can set text messages to SIM1 or eSIM1, and I can also choose which SIM card to use mobile data on, either SIM1 or eSIM1. So at the moment I have Choose SIM card activated on my device, and to do that you can swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on connections. Then we go down and tap on SIM card manager, and in here I can choose to turn on or turn off the SIM that I want to use, and that's it. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.